Hello guys, back again with me, Ray Photography 27, and this time we will review the model car from GT Spirit. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so here it is. You can see in here, this is the RWB GT Spirit 1/8 scale from GT Spirit lineup model for RWB. You can see in here the box. It comes with the white box, nothing special in here. At the top of the box also just indicated it's GT Spirit model, and this is the bottom of the box. You can see in here there's some license that the GT Spirit has the special permission for this kind of product brand. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. It's quite a bit impressive, isn't it? I'm really excited for these models because I'm waited quite a long time, because it's almost like 5 or 6 months. You can see in here, this is a resin model car, and then this is the sealed model, so nothing can be opened in this model. This is the Porsche 964. I will detach it from this styrofoam box, and we will see it clearly about the models. Right guys, so this is how it looks without the styrofoam boxes. Oh, this is really nice, isn't it? The red rims, the combination between black, white and red is really nice and sporty. Like I said, this is the resin car model, so nothing open in here. I just love how it looks and really photogenic in my photo shoot. I also love to make the photo shoot, as you already know. So this is really nice. The details, the lamp, the headlights, the logos of Porsches, and it has the GT Spirit logo for the plate number. It has the towing hook. Okay, we can see in here also the disc brake and the caliper, also nice and detailed. Great job for GT Spirit, even though we know that resin model cars undercarriage, it's not too fancy. It's just like a flat like this with some paint of the exhaust part. But this is the limited run. This is 504 and mine is 124 since in here. So this is how it looks for the undercarriage. RWB 964 124 per 504. Right guys, you can see in here the difference of the tires white. So yep, so far so good, and I'm really enjoyed these models. You can see in here from the sides, the curve, the shapes, really nice. And then the details of this words RWB graph. And then there's also RWB. The tail lights really nice with the Porsche word, if you can see it. Alright guys, so that's it. Not much we can talk about for these models. I'm happy to have this one, because currently I've got almost 10 or 8 if I'm not mistaken for these RWB models from GT Spirit. I will try to review all and unboxing all, so you can guys have some idea if you are hunting for this model, so you can consider to buy it or skip it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on another video. Click like if you agree this is a cool model from GT Spirit for a well-big graph, or click dislike if you disappointed with this model. Thank you, have a nice day, stay safe, stay healthy, enjoy your diecast. Bye bye.